Question: which organization is most popular in the computer and software sector? Answer: Microsoft. Next question: which is used to see the HTML coding of a document created in front page? Answer: Reveltech. Next question: hardware include? Answer: A. CPU, B. revenue equipment, and C. output device. Next question: what is the meant by bus in the computer? Answer: data bus. Next question: the key is used to capitalize all letters without using the shift key for each other. Answer: caps lock key. Next question: dash are the main memory parts? Answer: CPU key. Next question: what are the fields in a database? Answer: category of information. Next question: when you move a row or column, the moved cell's text is dash. Answer: moves with the cell. Question: dash is called saving the same data in many places. Answer: redundancy. Next question: which of the following is not a computer programming language? Answer: A. C, B, C++, and C, Java. Next question: what is the full form of BIOS? Answer: basic input output system. Next question: which is a computer package for preparing typing letters, documents, Answer: Word. Next question: which type of resource is most likely to be shared in the computer network? Answer: printers. Next question: what is the full form of CD-ROM? Answer: compact disc read only memory. Next question: how many characters can be typed in a single cell of Excel? Answer: 65,536. Next question: what is the meaning of SMPS used in the power supply system in the computer? Answer: switch mode power supply. Question: which statement is true regarding disk copy? Answer: disk copy command is used in DOS. Next question: you can keep your personal file or folder in dash. Answer: my documents. Next question: virus will be have an expanded form. Answer: virtual information resource under size. Next question: dash is a central computer that holds collection of data and programs for many PC workstation and other computers. Answer: server. Next question: what is the term used to describe the use of the mouse to move an item on the screen to a new location? Next question. Answer: drag and drop. Next question: DBMS used to create computer application. Answer: database management system. Next question: which group has only output devices? Answer: plotter, printer, and monitor. Next question: which of the following displays the data from smallest to largest? Answer: bit, byte, character, field, decode, file, database. Question: computers send and receive data in the form of dash signals. Answer: digital signals. Next question: there is no memory type in the computer. Answer: optical. Next question: the special effect used to present slide in presentation is called dash. Answer: transition. Next question: ROM is the which nature of memory? Answer: permanent in nature. Next question: dash are commands that can be selected. Answer: menu. Next question: magnetic tape is not practically for applications in which data needs to be quickly recalled as dash tape. Answer: sequential access media. Next question: the main inputs are tools. Answer: keyboard, mouse, and punch card. Next question: which of the following high level language is a combination of COBOL and Fortran? Answer: PI/1.